Master Fluid Solution has over 100 employees in India, where we're able to manufacture, distribute, and service to each one of our customers.
Master Fluid Solution India Private Limited is a global company with strong India connect. We in Master strongly believe that whatever we do should add value to our customers. Our focus is strongly on improving the quality of our product offering, quality of service, and most importantly, adding value to what our customers do in their day-to-day life.
Each year, Master Fluid Solution has been able to grow by 20% year over year. This type of growth only comes from great coordination from our research and development to our sales and commercial team to our human resources. Our guiding principle is the golden rule. We do what we say we're going to do, and we take care of our employees, and we're very proud of that.